Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character yàng step by step. I will write it in standard script, then following one word and one sentence. Let's write. Yàng. Manner, way, type, 那样 that kind. For example, I said, no such thing as that. I said, no such thing as that. "我没有说过那样的话。我没有说过那样的话。我没有说过那样的话。我没有说过那样的话。I said no such thing as that. 我没有说过那样的话。Okay, my casual handwriting on character yàng. Yàng. Manner, way, type, 那样 that kind. I said no such thing as that. 我没有说过那样的话。Please comment any sentence with character yàng. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.